Today's thought of the day is practice is a key to your goal. I repeat the thought. Practice is a key to your goal. Children, where do we live? We live in our country, India. In our country, we have different languages, cultures, traditions and festivals. Children, what is a festival? You all are familiar with this word festival and feel joy and happiness because festival is the time of happiness and togetherness. Each state celebrates its festival. There are many ways of celebrating festivals. For example, we clean our house, we decorate our house, make sweets and distribute to our friends and relatives. We also give gifts. You know children, festivals are of three types: religious festival, harvest festival, national festivals. Religious festival. The religious festival is celebrated by the people depending upon their religion. For example, Diwali, Christmas. Harvest festival. Harvest festival is the festival which the farmers celebrate. This festival is celebrated when the crops are produced. Pongal, Onam, these are harvest festival. Pongal, Onam are celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Baisakhi is celebrated in Punjab. Bihu is celebrated in Assam. National festivals, Independence and Republic Day, which we all celebrate. So children, today in our chapter we are going to learn about Bihu festival. What is this Bihu festival? Bihu festival is celebrated at the arrival of the spring. Bihu festival is celebrated in the state of Assam, and the Assamese people, they celebrate this festival. Assam is one of the most beautiful states in India. Assam is very rich in agriculture. The Assamese celebrate three types of Bihu in a year: Rongali Bihu, Kongali Bihu, Bhogali Bihu. Rongali Bihu. It is celebrated at the start of the sowing of seeds. Kongali Bihu. It is celebrated when the sowing is completed. Bhogali Bihu. It is celebrated at the end of the harvesting period. Old Bihu songs are wonderful to listen. Bihu dance is performed by both men and women. The brisk step and hand movements are very popular in Bihu dance. Bihu dances are performed to the music of instruments like dhol, pipa, tal, gogona and toka. Farmers spend a whole day decorating their cattle. They bathe their cows and bulls with mahahalodi, a paste of some black gram and a little turmeric. Assamese greet each other, welcome their guests and pay their respect to elders in the family by presenting them with new gamosas. Gamosas means children hand woven cotton towels. Children, in revision I am giving you fill in the blanks, true or not true and missing letters. You will write the answers yourself. I will just read all the sentences. You listen carefully. First, fill in the blanks. Assam is very dash in agriculture. 2. I saw many people gifting each other hand-woven cotton towels called dash. Number 3. I loved its dash steps and dash movements and join in the dance. Number 4. Dash is the Assamese New Year. Now true or not true? Number 1. Rongali Bihu is celebrated at the end of harvesting period. Number 2. Rongali Bihu is celebrated in January. Number 3. People of towns and cities think it is funny to decorate cattle and garland them. Number 4. In the past, people celebrated Bihu only in the villages.